Hi, I'm Loretta with Select Holidays. My husband Lawrence and I started the business 35 years ago. In that time, we have met many wonderful people that have become friends. We have had the privilege of escorting tours around the world to every continent and visiting nearly 100 countries. Perhaps it is time to unpack the suitcases, put away the travel alarm clocks, and put our feet up at home. But before we do, there is one place we certainly want to go back to, and we invite you to join us. It is a dream experience like no other. It is like a dream come true. In 2015, we fell in love with this Tuscan villa in Italy, so much so that we have stayed here twice. Set amid fantastic scenery in the Tuscany region, the villa features spacious bedrooms, all with en-suites, a huge living room with a fireplace for relaxing around and where happy hour takes place each evening. There is a pool and patios. But perhaps the most appreciated feature is our own personalized Italian chefs, preparing all our meals at the villa, and one morning trying to teach us how to make pasta the Italian way. The daily trips from the villa into the village and nearby towns is like stepping back in time. Cobblestone streets and narrow lanes to explore, some leading to unique shops and secluded cafes. There are acres of vineyards and olive groves to enhance this unique experience, as will the wine tasting, a farm luncheon, plus a visit to the 12th century Siena Cathedral, beautiful on the outside and exquisite on the inside. We also have a special 8-course, gold-plated dinner at the monastery, where each tasty course is served so elegantly. But your adventure does not need to end at the villa. Join us as we fly to Athens to board the brand new Crystal Cruises Esprit yacht for our cruise around Greece. It is an all-inclusive nautical adventure, designed for only 62 passengers, and is specially built to visit secluded harbors, coves, and islands that are simply not accessible to larger cruise ships. It is ultra-modern and sleek in design, with spacious staterooms, inviting dining venues and lounges. It has an exclusive water marina on the lower deck that gives access to included water sports, such as water skiing, kayaking, jet skis, and snorkeling. And if this is not enough, there is a small 2-man mini submarine available to use. The same as at the villa, everything is country club casual, and all beverages are included. Also included are your gratuities on board, plus 2 shore excursions, one cultural inspired, the other a soft adventure. By offering the villa and the yacht in combination, we feel it is a perfect way to help celebrate Select Holidays' 35th anniversary. Please join Lawrence and I on October 28th and make this dream vacation a reality for yourself.